Good morning, sir. I'm Sapana Dyopala. I'm a dashboard designer in Your Salon project. I assisted a team member in discussion. We did literature review and step-by-step discussion in a detail that which user stories have high priority and needs to be done in a first. An appropriate sample was also selected so that the dashboard could be expertly developed, and I helped my team member in planning of the interactive immersive dashboard. First of all the dataset were collected and that were noted down into Excel sheet, which were loaded into the Power BI tool. Using the Excel sheet makes the whole process much faster and efficient. The activities of the sprint 2 were arranged on the basis of the priority, and along with each activity I assisted my team in prioritizing the tasks as a high, medium and a low. This helped us to achieve our goal more efficiently as the activity were performed in the best manner and were managed well. It also helped us structure the scope and identity of the business priority before our team spent too much of time in planning the details. In Sprint 2, we have selected 8 user stories, and among them I'm working in 2, that is user story 15 and user story 17. The user story 15 displays about a visual representation of the 5 year of the availability of the saloon. Genuine has been available to the highest number of the client, that is 1782, and the number of the customers he had attended have been increased rapidly from the year of 2018 to 2022. The least number of the customer who took services from Tanya, and in year 2020 she had maximum of the 30 clients, and Becky and Kelly has better records, and all a total number of the 4,647 customer has been served from 2018 to 2020. The user story 17 it shows the cost of the different services. The visualize is displaying the 3 main services which has many subcategorization. We can see that the main haircut ranges from the $360, and depending upon the haircut the price may vary. Similar, the cost of the color touch-up and the consultation is also provided. I polish my skill of the designing visualization of the dashboard and understand what data they contain. I along with my team fixed the error box due to the ways we created a several version of the visualization that couldn't be included in the dashboard. The analysis tool we use to gather the information of the dashboard developed was Power BI tool, and I have now more grip on a Power BI tool. I was able to make the efficient and interactive dashboard, and I apply my skill to present an understandable and formal graphs that public can be easily understand. I learned a lot of other things while doing tasks for Sprint 1. I learned time management, how to work in a time, and at first it was very difficult to involve everyone in my work and discuss the progress. But with time, I learned that when I discussed the problem with the group, our solution was found at a much easier pace. The next things I learned was the uses of the dashboard to create the interactive dashboard. I also learned how to design the dashboard while doing the tasks for Sprint 1. While performing the assigned tasks, I did mistake which I found very difficult to fix as there was very less time but managed somehow. I also learned that the time management is extremely important and the tasks needs to be divided initially so that the trouble can be avoided in the future. From the sprint to I learned to create an effective dashboard, and the main reflection from the project are to get a better result. We handle each role professionally by taking help from each other. During the data modeling, I along with my team member learned some new skills and applied those in a Power BI tool for better visualization. I understood the importance of the working in team, and whenever there was any trouble, I had my teammate to hold my back. There are a few things that I could have done better in a sprint to achieve the greater result. I could have managed the time better. If I had managed the time, I could not have spent more time on using a modern tool for dashboard creation, and along with that, the lack of the discussion meeting, and there could have been a more meeting arranged. Thank you.